My dirty rag is really dirty. This actually looks like pretty decent thermal paste, but just to be safe, I'm gonna change it. I just got it in the mail, so. And who knows if they used a conductive one or not. Better safe than sorry, because they used a lot of it. It's really dirty. I use like a little toothbrush just to get it out of the grooves, just in case it is conductive. Get it out of all the circuitry there. Don't want to short anything out, just in case. Alright. Now, get some isopropyl alcohol. And use my cleaner rag and wipe everything down one more time with the alcohol just to get any little extra residue, any layer of film that I might have just smudged around. But yeah, you pretty much want this to look like a mirror, which it looks pretty good. We'll clean off this one real good. Perfect. Alright, I might pull this out and clean it real quick. Actually, it doesn't look too bad.